Hello, our project is ArtisticGenreator. So why are we doing this? Well, we noticed that the creative writing task, lyrics generation, poses challenges to NLP models because it has very unique and complex patterns, and different musical genres have very different lyrical styles. So our goal is to generate lyrics based on musical genre and text input specified by the user. So this is our final application. So as you can see, we can use it to generate lyrics. And based on the lyrics, based on the style and effect, the app can also generate the single cover for us. But this is the stretch goal, so we won't talk too much about it. So to generate lyrics, we use Genius.com as our main data source, and we use Lyrics Genius library to retrieve track titles, lyrics, and artists based on specific genres. So we focus on 5 genres: pop, country, rock, and R&B. To process the data, we remove the relevant information from the raw lyrics. So for instance, the track title, the language information, advertisement information, and so on. And step 2, we added some tokens to the lyrics. So for instance, the BOS, EOS tokens to indicate the beginning and the end of the lyrics, and also some special tokens to indicate the genre. So, and we've collected about 5,000 claimed examples, and we use 90% of them for training purpose. One of the issues we encountered is that the language model we used only handles the sequences of up to 1,024 tokens, and about 50% of them exceed the limit. So our solution is to apply the data truncation. Our model is based on the GPT-2 English model, which was instantiated with auto model for causal LM. And then we also fine-tuning and train our model based on the complete training data set. So this is our training and validation loss. Our training was successful because the loss decreases over time, and also we don't see any noticeable overfitting problems here.
Okay, so now let's move on to the final results. So in order to qualitatively compare the final results as well as evaluate our model performance, our general approach is to generate the lyrics with the same starting prompt but different genre. For example, we are now seeing some sample lyrics generated with the starting prompt I am and using rap as the input genre. So our observation is that when using our model to generating the rap music, oftentimes we are going to see some boastful lyrics and sometimes even some insulting ones with swear words, which is indeed one of the main characteristics about the rap music. However, if we change the genre to country music, then we're almost never going to see those swear words anymore. And instead, the focus of the generated lyrics will shift to some other topics, such as just the everyday life of normal people. And the focus of the theme of the generated lyrics will be on topics like love, loneliness, and just daily work. And due to time limit, we are not going to elaborate on our last example, but the general idea is pretty much the same. So our previous examples are some of the better ones that are cherry-picked by us. So in order to also quantitatively analyze our results, we also generated 500 completely random sums with our model. And we devised 4 special metrics in order to compute the similarity between the training corpus and the generated lyrics. And in the end, we're using the correlation coefficient as the final scalar output. And we were able to achieve relatively strong positive correlation for each of the 4 metrics. And this final results indicates that our model is indeed successfully capturing some distinct linguistic features pertaining to each genre. So overall, I would say that our results was actually somewhat better than we expected. And we believe that some of the most crucial points, including very thorough data cleaning, as well as adding new tokens, using those new tokens to kind of pass in the genre information to our model. And in the future, when handling similar kind of project, we will also utilizing this technique whenever possible. So this pretty much concludes our presentation. The last 2 slides are just some other better examples generated with our model and application. and with both lyrics and the generated cover art. So yeah, that's all, and thank you for listening.